Mga stress na sila guys.
Situations bring you back to me. Oh, love is never break up. I guess you won't, that's all. In my head, you say that I'm dying to forget. I bit the bullet for you, for you. Situations bring you back to me.
Kinakabahan na kami guys kasi may hands-on quiz kami sa MTech. Ha? Go guys. Good luck guys.
Out ka muna sa group. Left the group first. Pero may difference pa yan. Defect ka. Doon ka muna, gilid ka muna. Kasi matatagalan tayo. Okay, your time starts now.
So, hi.
Ganito kami kabahan.
So, kami na ang susunod dito guys. Later pa naman pero kamusta guys? Kamusta ang mga ginagawa? Ayan, na-stress na sila. Na-stress na sila. Go. Go pa sa go si Halin.